gosh. That thing was monster. Hey, guess what? Been a while. Probably wouldn't believe where I'm at, but I'm backpacking again. First backpacking trip and since COVID. I've tried, but it's always turned into car camping. Did a canoe camping trip. Not so much camping because of COVID. So, I'm here. It's 3 o'clock and yeah, I already got a fire going. I've been here since 9 o'clock this morning. Sorry, I have not recorded much. Between the high winds and somebody shooting off guns like crazy for a couple hours, I have not. So I've been waiting until the wind mellows down. So cheers to backpacking again. I'm drinking a Flatiron Fog. It's a hazy Indian Pale Ale. It's 6.5%, 1 pint. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Oh gosh. So far, it's not so bad. I mean, between the wind coming and going, there's a periodic of clouds. Sun was shining most of the day. Gosh. So I've just been hanging out. I'm actually back to where I built my bushcraft camp, and when I first came here, it was completely falling apart. I haven't camped at this spot in like almost 3 years. So I thought it was time to return. It was a journey to get here. It wouldn't have been so bad, but I pulled I pulled a wagon behind me because I brought my big sleeping bag, and I didn't want to carry it because it's a 30-pound bag. So I just threw it in the wagon. But coming up these crazy hills, it's definitely different. And then pulling that thing in through the woods, off trail. It's even more especially when there's a lot more snow on the ground. It's all melted, so that's good. I do got some fun stuff planned for tonight, so stick with me and we'll see what's going down. Right now I'm gonna switch sides with the camera because this is getting out of hand. It's officially dark finally. So I'm gonna break into it's by Old Smoky Mountain. Jeez, that plane is flying very low. But it's apple pie. I figure it'd be good for this kind of trip. The wind sucks, so I'm gonna drink. I don't know if I see a pair of eyes or what staring at me, but something off in the distance keeps staring my way. Bruce is in the shelter, so cheers. That is really delicious. It's hard to enjoy the fire and the warmth because of the wind, and it's just driving me crazy. All I want to do is just sit down in my chair, enjoy a beer with some moonshine by a fire with half a moon and some stars. And maybe a little breeze, but not what it has been. It was doing so fine, and then it came back with a vengeance. Steak was great. They gave half of it to Bruce. And then he went back into the shelter and lied down. So it is great to be back out on a backpacking trip again. Even if it is a little windy now. I mean, I rebuilt this camp and well, hopefully tomorrow will be better. I don't get it. Excuse me. Whew. Oh yeah, I should mention this. So twice today, I saw an animal that I have never seen before. It was a snow white squirrel. Pure white. I mean, I wish I could have gotten it on camera, but it was off in the distance, and I saw it earlier when I first got to camp, but I had no idea what it was. And then as I was walking up a little bit, I got a better look at it, and yeah, it's a all white squirrel. I've never seen one before. So if it comes back around my camp tomorrow, maybe I'll try and get a picture or video of it. We'll see. That thing moves around a lot. It just didn't sit still ever. So hopefully. But this is nice. Dicking around with the fire. Even if it is a little windy, a little chilly. I wanted to do a trip like this, but if I'd known that the wind was going to be acting up as bad as it is, I would have brought my wood stove and my hot tent. I still would have came to the spot, but instead of having a campfire, it would have been the wood stove, which I wanted a campfire. It's been so long since I've had a campfire. It's been a while since I've been camping. Back in July when I did my canoe trip, that was the last time I was out camping. It's been months. I try to go out in September, but due to unfortunate circumstances, I had to call it off. So I wasn't able to make that. Oh, and I've been busy all month of October with a bunch of different stuff. It is nice out. Like right now, yes. Earlier, no. Alright, I'll take a little bit out of the jar and then I'll see you soon. Woo! That's some shine right there. You know about that shine. Burp. Hey, everybody. I know. It's been a while. Okay, it's not been that long. The half a moon is shining bright with stars on this side, and the campfire on this side, and Bruce on this side. Yeah, I can feel them. But, anywho, let's see, what time is it? It's almost 7. I've been drinking quite a bit, but I feel fine. A little buzzed right now. Sitting by the fire under the mellow wind with a half a moon. It's nice, very nice. So, Bruce is behind me. Let's take a drink. I'd say, okay, a shot. A shot from the jar of apple pie, smoky, or old smoky. I can't read it. Let's take a drink from the Old Smoky Tennessee Moonshine. It's not real moonshine, but it's close enough. Woo! Yeah. Okay. I put quite a few pieces on the fire. Can you see me now? I don't know what that was about, but yeah. So peaceful out here. I miss this. I mean, when I came out here, I knew there was going to be some wind, but I didn't know it was going to be a nuisance. And here and there, it mellows out. I'm doing just fine. I'm dealing with it. And that's that. I mean, Monday it's supposed to be down to nothing. And then Tuesday when I leave, it's supposed to be back pretty intense. So, we'll see what happens. we'll see where time goes. But right now, just enjoying this half moon, moony moon, with fire and a little breeze here and there. I can feel Bruce right here because so with Bruce, he likes to lean against objects like walls, basically. When he sleeps, he has to sleep with his body leaned up against some kind of wall. If it's the tent or at home on my bed, he's always got his back against the wall. He's been like that since a puppy. So that's just how he is. It's nothing bad, but that's his security comfort when he sleeps. Once in a great while, he'll come and lie next to me and not be pressed against the wall, and he'll sleep as long as I'm holding him. Ooh. Yo, what's up? Sorry, a little tipsy. Drinking half this jar already. This is my last drink, so cheers. Fire's nice, the weather's nice, the wind is nice. I was just inside my shelter checking up on Bruce, make sure he's okay. Which he's doing good. He's sleeping. So, cheers. Woo! I thought that would work, but never mind. Campfire is nice. I know you can barely see me. Okay, better? I know, it's not that great. Just chill out. Don't go anywhere. Put my headlamp on top of my camera. Excuse me. Sorry. I'm a little tipsy. A little hammered. Sorry, first day isn't. This is what it seems. Just hung out, relaxed, set up camp, enjoy the moment, being back out here. point to where I had a hike in next to a campfire. Skin is super bright. But this will be my last video, so good night, peace out, see you in the morning. I don't know what the heck I'm doing anymore. Alright, night. Well, good morning. That was I slept comfortable. I was warm, comfortable, but it's so windy out. And I just had a tree snap in front of my camp, and it fell right in my camp. So it's getting worse. It's got to be gusting anywhere from 30 to 40 mile an hour winds. Or that's probably what it's blowing at, with gusts up to 50. I don't know. The trees are moving pretty hard. And I just watched a tree in front of my eyes just come crashing down, not too far from me. So, yeah, unfortunate. It's probably not smart to be camping in the high winds. It's pretty dangerous. I don't want another tree to come crashing down. I mean, I don't know, what can you do? So I do got another trip I'll be doing here in a few days, so look out for that one. Sorry everybody, but take care, subscribe, like, share, later.